All right, today we're going to talk about a drink that has pretty much taken the wellness world by storm. It's the super simple but incredibly powerful celery and cucumber green juice. It's become more than just a trend. For a lot of people, it's a daily ritual. So let's get into why.
It's like your very own all-natural booster shot. I mean, that quote really captures it perfectly, doesn't it? We're not just talking about some tasty green drink. We're talking about a glass that is packed to the brim with vitamins, nutrients, and all sorts of good stuff. So let's unpack why so many people consider it a powerhouse.
For so many health-conscious people, fresh green juice has become a total morning staple. And this particular blend, it has just exploded in popularity, especially online. I'm willing to bet you've seen it pop up on your social media feeds more than once.
And when I say it's popular, I mean it's massive. Just look at the hashtag. Over 350,000 posts, and it's still growing. But here's the thing about celery juice on its own. It can have a really intense, kind of salty flavor. And that is exactly where the magic of cucumber comes in. It creates a juice that's so much more balanced, refreshing, and honestly, just easier to drink.
So what is it that makes this combination so effective? Well, the answer is all about the synergy between two super common but really powerful vegetables. Let's break down our two hero ingredients. You can think of these two as the perfect duo. They have these complementary roles that just work so well together. On one hand, you have cucumber, which is mostly water, and it provides this really mellow, hydrating base. Then you've got celery, which is an absolute electrolyte powerhouse. It's packed with minerals like potassium and sodium that are so important for hydration. But it has a very strong, distinct flavor. So when you put them together, you get this incredible balance of both taste and nutrition.
Okay, so we know what's in it, but the big question, the one we all really want to know is, what does this combination actually do for your body? Let's get into the good stuff, the benefits. This is probably one of the top reasons people start drinking green juice. We hear it all the time, right? That true skincare really starts from the inside. So let's see if this juice actually lives up to all that hype.
The short answer is absolutely. The super high water content gives you this deep hydration from the inside out. The silica you get from cucumbers is known to help support skin elasticity, which is fantastic. Plus, and this is a big one, it helps your body flush out toxins, supporting organs like your liver, and a happy liver is often directly linked to clear, glowing skin. It really is about nourishing your body from within.
This gets to the very core of why people juice. By removing the fiber, you're essentially giving your body a direct, easily absorbed shot of all those vitamins and minerals. It can help your cells feel more nourished and fill in any little nutritional gaps you might have. And honestly, the best part is that unlocking this shortcut is something you can easily do right in your own kitchen.
And speaking of that, you are going to love how incredibly easy this is to make at home. So let's walk through the steps. And don't worry, it doesn't matter if you have a fancy, top-of-the-line juicer or just a simple blender.
So, if you have a juicer, it could not be simpler. Just wash and roughly chop your ingredients, feed them into the machine. Pro tip, alternating between the cucumber and celery helps the juicer run a little more efficiently. And then, in just a few minutes, you have a fresh glass of green goodness ready to go. And if you don't have a juicer, no problem at all. Just add your chopped veggies to a high-speed blender with about a cup of water and just blend it until it's completely smooth. After that, just pour the whole mixture through a fine mesh strainer, or even a nut milk bag if you have one, to separate out the pulp. You get the exact same delicious result.
And this is where the fun really begins, because you can totally make it your own. Want to customize it? Try adding some green apple for a little bit of tart sweetness. A squeeze of lemon or lime brings this amazing zesty brightness that really cuts through that strong celery taste. Or if you want a spicy, warming kick, a little bit of fresh ginger is absolutely perfect.
So, you see, this isn't just about a single recipe. It's really about how a simple daily habit can connect you to a much broader, bigger philosophy of wellness.
It's actually fascinating when you look at how this all evolved. Green juices first became popular way back in the 1970s as part of that whole holistic health movement. And today, that tradition is alive and well, just amplified by social media, where it's become this modern ritual for vitality and well-being.
And that right there is the key takeaway. Making yourself a glass of this juice is such a simple, tangible act of self-care. It's just proof that taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated, and it can be absolutely delicious. So I'll leave you with this one thought to chew on. In a world that's filled with complex solutions, what if the most profound path to feeling your best is actually found in something as beautifully simple as this? What if it's been in our kitchens all along?